Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix LIFTMASTER error code 421. LIFTMASTER error code 421 indicates a specific issue with the safety sensors in a LIFTMASTER garage door opener. The technical meaning of this error code is 4 flashes followed by a pause, and then 1 flash followed by another pause. Resolving this error code is crucial to ensure the proper functioning of the safety sensor system and maintain the safe operation of your LIFTMASTER garage door opener. Something physically blocking or binding the garage door can prevent the sensors from aligning properly. When faced with error code 421 on Chamberlain and LIFTMASTER garage door openers, you can take several troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. Begin by thoroughly inspecting the area around the garage door sensors and ensuring no debris, objects, or people obstructing their path. If you notice any issues, you can attempt to straighten the door using gentle force or seek professional assistance if the damage is severe. Start by visually inspecting the sensors and identifying any misalignment. Place a level in each sensor to ensure they are positioned correctly in parallel. Once aligned, tighten the screws to secure the sensor's new position. Repeat this process for the other sensor, ensuring it is properly aligned. After adjusting both sensors, verify that there is a clear line of sight between them and that no obstructions are blocking their path. Once you've realigned the LIFTMASTER sensor, it is crucial to test its functionality to confirm if the issue has been resolved. To do this, activate the garage door opener and observe the sensor's behaviors. If the lights do not turn on or continue to flash, there may be a problem. Repeat the realigning and testing of the sensors until the error code 421 is resolved. Take the time to carefully align the sensors according to the instructions. If sunlight is the issue, you will notice that the door opens but does not close. Instead, the light blinks 10 times. Clean the sensor lens with a soft cloth periodically to remove any dirt or debris. Keeping the area around the sensor clear of obstructions, such as boxes or other items, will help maintain uninterrupted operation. It is also important to conduct periodic safety reversal tests to check the alignment of the sensors and ensure they are functioning correctly. Start with the garage door in an open position. Place an object in the path of the closing garage door. Now close the garage door. The garage door should reverse upon contact with the object. Conduct a safety reversal test every month after adjusting the safety sensor alignment. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.